I'm back. Welcome to Texas, where last week it was 70, 80 degrees, and past 2 days it's been like 4.
So it is another windy day outside, and that means that you probably can't hear anything again, and that means like that I can't do a skate video. So that sucks. I was originally gonna go do a how to drop in video, but you know, maybe not. I don't know, we'll see. So I think instead of doing a how-to video, I'm actually gonna show you my surprise that I mentioned in the last video that I've been keeping from everybody. And I've been trying to keep it secret for a while, but I guess today's a good day to show it, if I can get my car started. Let me go get gas first off because I'm on E again. I don't know why I keep doing this myself. I just got paid today. Oh, I have to pay rent today, so I gotta pull money out. So I'm gonna run a couple errands real quick, and then I think I'm just gonna show you the big surprise. It's located at my brother's, so stay tuned. I like your car. I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek before I show you. Here's the wheel. And that's all you're gonna get because there's my car right there. I'm gonna go inside and talk to Alex for a little bit, but the car is right there. I'm trying to hide it as much as I can. I showed it a little bit in the clip, but I think I'll be able to edit it out, so I think it'll be okay. And here's Alex's little car with, you know, his little inkies. Now let's go inside. And so this is probably the third time I've tried to film this because the other day whenever I was originally filming this video, the wind was blowing really, really bad, like it is kind of right now, and it's almost impossible to do any kind of video footage. So I'm just gonna show you the car. I showed it a little bit. Here it is behind me. It is the 2003 Subaru Impreza WRX Sonic Yellow that I was gonna buy about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. This is it. And it is ours. It's officially like my other baby. So I've got this baby that's still not finished. I know, still have to do the door handle, still have to do the rear bumper, still have to do the quarter panel, do the front bumper. There's a lot that I have to do, okay? I know, leave me alone. I'm getting there, it's working on it. It's just, the wind keeps blowing all the time like it is right now. It's just been really hard. So as you can see, I have the key. This is mine. I have the title and paperwork all right there. This is the interior like I showed last time. It's got the little yellow door card, and I'm not a big fan of it. I'm also not a big fan of the leather seats like I said in the last video. But, you know, it's not terrible. It's actually in really, really good condition. Everything's here. I found out this is a 6-disc CD changer, which is kind of cool. So you can keep, like, pushing the eject button right here, and it ejects, like, 6 discs. It's kind of funny to... there. Oh, okay, cool. I didn't think that was gonna happen. We'll do it again. Oh my god, it does do it again. Watch this. This is great. I didn't think it would work. I thought the battery's too dead to work. That's what, 4? Yeah, look at this. This is great. It came with 6 CDs. 6 of them. Why? That's so cool. I love it. But yeah, this is the new baby for the channel. I'm really excited for it. I'm actually sitting in the car because it's way too windy outside to film anything. So I'm just gonna finish a little bit here before I show you more clips of the car. It is hurt a little bit. It's a little bit more hurt than what I thought it was gonna be. Originally, we thought it was gonna be a couple of parts we'd have to replace to get it back up and running. That's not the case. It's... I'll show you a picture of the spark plug because I don't think I have it anymore. So I'll pop that up right here somewhere. But yeah, that spark plug is from cylinder 1. So cylinder 1 is completely trashed. But the plans for this are to go ahead and move it to my brother's dealership where he works. And we're going to go ahead and pull the engine out, rebuild it, in hope that the block itself is fine. If the block itself is fine, we're definitely gonna rebuild it. If it's not, then we're gonna have to buy a new block. We might do an EJ207, which is a JDM, so Japanese domestic market or Japanese domestic motors. That'll be that version instead of USDM, so US market basically. I don't know exactly what the plans are for it yet, but this is also going to be a subscriber build. So as a subscriber, you have say in what goes on the vehicle. If you want anything to be on the vehicle, definitely, you know, leave it down in the comments below. I don't know what all I'll be able to include. I want to at least incorporate something of y'all's onto the car, if that makes sense. I don't know. If anybody has any ideas at all, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I will definitely like them and read them. I do that with all my comments, and the most liked comment will most likely be something that is done to the car, or I don't know, we'll see how it works. But again, I want to include y'all into this build. I think it's going to be really cool, and this car is going to be something that I'd like to continue to have on the channel and build for y'all on the channel and help teach y'all how to build a Subaru, how to work on a Subaru, because I personally have never done it before. My brother has also never done it before. We've never pulled an engine and rebuilt one before, so this is going to be a first, and it's going to be really fun. I do have another build process going on with my mini truck. That's why I haven't been driving it at all, and that's also why we haven't been driving the Mustang at all, because those two cars are actually going to combine together. So that's going to be awesome. I'm excited for that one. That one should be pretty easy to do, and it'll be like super sleeper status, so I'm super excited for that one, but we'll see. Just to give you a little bit of knowledge about it, this is a rare Subaru. That's the only reason why I bought it. I bought it for $2,500. So I did pay a little bit more than what I wanted to for it. Actually, quite a bit more than I wanted to for it. But I got it for a really good deal. And if I ever try to sell it in the future, you know, I can still make money on it or whatever the case is. So I'm not in the red here. I'm still technically in the green. I personally would say this is probably one of the cheapest WRX ever purchased that is in this condition. Like, it's in phenomenal condition. Let me show you the paint again. It shows up better on camera than it does in person, but, or in person over camera, I don't really know. The camera makes it look more yellow. It's a little faded, but it's not bad. It's definitely a really good quality paint compared to most Subarus of this age. Most of them already faded and clear coat's just destroyed, so this is actually impressive.
Look, I'm Keegan. Oh, wait a minute.
Here is the engine bay. We already have the intercooler removed. The radiator is actually already drained and pretty much ready to remove too. We just take off that bolt and that bolt over there. Basically, there's not a whole lot left to do to remove everything. It's almost done. I've got my coil packs off over there because we're changing spark plugs and looking at them. And cylinder 1 on this side is completely ruined. Cylinder 3 is okay, and cylinder 2 and 4 are also okay. Here's the baby turbo. It's a small little guy. He's really small. Transmission's also pretty small compared to my nice 6-speed over there. This is a 5-speed. But overall, like, it's gonna be a fun build. I'm excited for it. I hope y'all are also excited for it. It does have a little baby hood scoop like that compared to big old daddy hood scoop over here. It's a big boy. I like it. I like it a lot. I need to put the spoiler on it and finish it. Ugh, I love that car though. This is the nice, rare Sonic Yellow Bug-Eye. Super excited for it. There's my brother. Again, sorry about the wind. It's literally taken me about 3 times to film this whole segment because of how bad the wind has been. So we'll see when editing if it turns out awesome. If not, I've got to redo this again.
Welcome back to the channel. And I'm facing the wind. So this is garble, 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 blah, 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 blah. You can't hear anything I'm saying.
Turn around.
I'm back. On my channel, Keegan Co. I'm not Keegan. Still haven't figured that one out yet. Anyway, welcome back to the channel, guys. Due to the magic of editing, he can put this intro or outro or whatever the hell this is going to be anywhere he wants. What is that? Subaru. Let's go to my office. But right now, the plan is to get it out to my job. And we're going to pull the motor, which again, I'm sure he's explained this, but anyway, we're going to pull the motor, pull the head off, see how bad it is. Cylinder walls are fine. Probably replace that piston, the rod as well, more than likely. Might as well do all the pistons and rods, but it's gonna be OEM, and we'll upgrade it later. This is just to get it running and driving. As long as the bottom end, as long as the block's fine. Bottom end, I don't really care about, pistons and rods, whatever. So for the price of doing the OEM rebuild, pistons and rods and a head, because it's probably gonna need a head, yeah. Gaskets, it'd be right around the same price as just doing a long block.
Yep, and that's why I'm also thinking about getting forged internals, because then I don't have to worry about ringlet failures, but I also have the possibility of the piston wanting to walk in the cylinder wall or whatever because of its being, or because of a open deck. It's not a closed or semi-closed deck.
Yeah, but on a TD04, I mean, even on 15 pounds, which is really pushed the limits on that stock turbo.
Yeah. I don't know. Leave it in the comments below. What do you think? Should we go for an OEM rebuild, or should we spend the extra money while it's out and do a somewhat build to it?
Well, honestly, the whole build slash rebuild slash whatever really all comes down to that cylinder wall.
Yeah.
Once the head's off and we know how bad the block is, that'll be where we go from there.
So once that's done, we can determine the next steps on what to do. We have a couple of ideas and plans that we were already thinking about, but we can't do anything until we pull the engine and actually figure out how badly it's damaged. So if it's good, let us know what you think we should do, because I'm curious. Like I said, this is going to be a subscriber build, so I want to have y'all's input too. And if it is completely trashed, then at that point it's probably smarter for us to just buy a long block. We'll probably do, like I said earlier, an EJ207, which is the Japanese model, and that one is a semi-closed deck, so that one will be a little bit more modified friendly, I guess is what I want to say.
No, nothing fancy like a $4,000 closed block. That'd be nice, but you don't have that dinero at the moment.
If we get big enough as a channel and that's something that y'all would like to see, like a big build, I will definitely put money towards that in the future, but right now it's not worth it.
Yeah. Right now, let's just get it back to a nice drivable status.
Sorry, Mom.
Oh, I forgot. Hi, Mom! I blame you. You got us into Subarus. You started this.
Actually, no, yeah, you're right. We can have a whole history lesson about how we got into Subarus.
Actually, you know what? No, it's totally Mom's fault because she got us into the JDM cars. Mom had an old Celica and an old Subaru. I mean, you know, she's had her Toyota. I really like that Toyota, actually.
I know, I wish she had it, but stuff happened and things and such, so.
It's your fault. We like Japanese cars. This is your fault. It's a good thing, so I know you're watching this. Yeah.
Sorry, Mom.
Sorry, but
I had to. It's rare.
Yeah. Sorry, but not sorry, because it's really nice.
Yeah.
Once it moves on its own power, it's really nice.
It won't come on.
Yeah.
Here's the new shifter. It's really long and really pointless. Look at it. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Oh, that's a long throw for fifth. First install complete. Oh yeah. It looks like crap. Probably not gonna stay there forever, so we'll probably switch it out with the other one or get another shift knob. I don't know entirely what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I figured we have a shift knob, so might as well play with it and see if it works. Bye. I'm so incredibly happy that we have this right now. I don't know why, but I'm so excited. Big things are happening, hopefully. We'll see. If it's not too cold, I think I'm gonna go to the skate park. I don't know if it's gonna happen or not, so if it's included, it's included. If not, I'm sorry. I need to go skate some more, but the wind is ruining everything, and it is a little chilly today, so I'll see. And I also wanna skate with some friends, and I don't know if anybody's free. So, I don't know. I'll probably go up there and chill and see if anybody wants to come hang out. And if not, then I'll just go home and I'll finish off the vlog at home. So, stay tuned for whatever happens. So it's the next day and I didn't get to go skateboarding like I wanted to, sadly. Nobody was available and I came home and I ended up going to sleep. So that sucks for me. But, video's done. I'm pretty happy with it. I really, really, really like this new car and hope y'all are excited for it too. But that's pretty much it for this video. So I will see you on the next one. Y'all stay awesome. This is kind of a little bit of a long video and I'm sorry for that. But again, I hope you enjoy. But that's it. So y'all stay awesome. I'll see you on the next one. Later.